Hello, what is up guys? I'm your host Gordon and welcome to another unboxing video. So today we are going to unbox the Corsair K83 Multimedia keyboard. Okay, the first impression of the box itself is this whole product is actually pretty heavy for a keyboard of this size. So let us take a look in the box. Actually, if they wanted to do packaging, they can actually do a very good job, as you can see here. So this is the keyboard itself. The first impression, this looks really high quality. So in here there's a pocket, which is probably the manual, warranty guide, and etc. So let us get to the keyboard itself. Wow, this is actually really heavy. In first glance, this thing looks like aluminum for me, but let us put the keyboard aside and see what's in the box. As you can see, there it is. Of course, a Bluetooth dongle. This is a 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth dongle. And then, under the box, we have, of course, our charging cable, just in case you wanted to charge your keyboard. So that's the good thing about the keyboard here, because the previous wireless keyboard that I'm using, I actually need AAA battery, and which is pretty annoying because AAA battery literally don't last if you get those cheap ones. So basically, this is a wireless version, and it's built-in battery. You just need to charge it. So you don't really need to, buy new batteries when your batteries goes out. So let us take a look at the keyboard. So basically, this is a aluminum finish, a brushed aluminum finish. The touchpad feels really good, and the button itself pretty much feels like a very high-end gaming laptop buttons. Over the side, you can notice that there is a joystick. So basically, if you don't really like the idea of using the trackpad over here and clicking the left and right button over here, you can use the joystick. And in the same time, the left and right button can be substituted by this left and right button over here. So this represents the left button and this represents the right button. So the keyboard itself expected you to use it like that when it is on your lap. And in the meantime, you notice that there's a scroll wheel over here, which is really nice to touch. As far as I know, this is responsible for your volume. Over here, there is a button to turn on the keyboard. After turning on the keyboard, we are greeted with this really nice hollow ring over here. And as you can see, the keyboard is backlit. Unfortunately, this is no RGB and it only comes with white LED. But so far, it actually looks really good on your coffee table, on your couch, or right beside your TV. Let me tell you why. What is the reason that I went ahead and purchased such an expensive keyboard over here? So before that, I actually used something like that. A pretty much basic, cheap, plastic, wireless keyboard. So I found a lot of disadvantages of keyboard like this. First of all, the build quality is crap. And of course, the whole thing is made of plastic. The clicks are not good. The touchpad is definitely not sensitive at all. And one of the biggest downfall of keyboard like that is they're actually using AAA battery, and it ran out pretty fast. All of this is actually not the main problem. One of the main problems is that sometimes this keyboard just literally does not function at all unless you turn on and off again and get things running again. So this is something that actually makes me really angry sometimes when I'm browsing the web in my HTPC. And that's the main reason why I went ahead and purchased this keyboard. First of all, I don't really need to worry about battery. The trackpad is super sensitive, and if I don't really want to use the trackpad, I can always use the joystick over here. So who is this keyboard for? This is definitely one of the keyboard for those who are really serious on their multimedia setup in their living room. This is definitely not a keyboard that you will use on your main workstation, your gaming PC, or something on your desk, unless if you're using your computer just to watch YouTube, browsing the internet, do some type work. This is probably the keyboard for you. Okay, that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to ring the notification button because more video is coming out. And of course, adios and see you guys.